Hey everyone, if Brave browser is running slow, lagging, or taking too long to load pages, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to speed it up and improve overall performance. First, close any unnecessary tabs. Too many open tabs can consume memory and slow down the browser significantly. Next, restart Brave completely. Yeah, this clears temporary memory usage and often improves speed instantly. Make sure your browser is up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that help speed things up. Some extensions run in the background and slow down browsing. Disabling ones you don't need can noticeably improve performance. If Brave is still slow, corrupted cache or cookies might be the cause, so clearing browsing data can help boost speed. Another useful fix is disabling hardware acceleration. Yeah, in some systems it can cause lag instead of improving performance. Malware or unwanted programs can slow down your browser. So run a quick antivirus scan to make sure your system is clean. If nothing else works, reset Brave settings to default. This removes hidden misconfigurations that might be slowing things down. And finally, if performance is still bad, uninstall and reinstall Brave. This gives you a fresh installation and often fixes deep performance issues. And that's it. One of these fixes should help improve Brave browser slow performance and make your browsing much faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.